everywhere. It looks like a murder scene in here.
More out towards it.
And the final video stars some kids playing an indoor video game. It's creative couch potatoes, sent by the Ketcherside family from Des Moines.
So this is what happens when you ask the kids to go outside and play during summer vacation. So they are outside. Outside you're playing with?
And start voting right now. While we take
About
a look
50
at the
more
votes,
seconds of
take
it.
a look at tonight's video.
What is it, baby? I can't see the dot. There it is.